and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our install videos. What we've been working on today is a Mini, it's a John Cooper Works edition. Really like this vehicle. So what we're going to be doing is showing you a little bit about what you're going to see from a customer's perspective if you have an installation of this carried out by ourselves. What we've installed is the brand new BlackVue DR900S front and rear 2-channel system, with also an extended battery, which is called the B124 battery, which we'll show you as well. This system is one of the best systems you can buy on the market currently, just bear in mind the date of this video, but unbelievable bit of kit, looks really neat and all professionally installed and installed to the highest possible standards. We're going to step inside the vehicle now, show you exactly what you're going to be getting if you buy this system. So we're now inside this vehicle. From the driver's view, everything's hidden away, you can't see anything whatsoever. It's all been hidden away behind the factory mirror and the rear camera is really discreetly installed. The battery in this vehicle, which is basically allows for parking mode and zero drain off your factory battery. So when you turn off the car, the dash camera is still protecting your car, still recording. You can still check it out via the cloud application as well. But the battery is actually installed in the boot, which we'll do a little pan shot so you can see exactly how that looks, and it's completely hidden away, not taking up any room. The system works around the cloud, so there's two applications that you need to download for this particular system. One is the BlackVue application, which will allow you to log in via Wi-Fi connection and view all your footage. And then you've got a battery application as well, which will monitor your battery health and how much recording time you're going to be getting from the system. If you're interested in the tech specs of the battery or the camera, feel free to get in touch with us. Pop in store, we can show you exactly what the camera is going to look like in your particular vehicle, as well as this camera at the moment is installed into our demo car, so you can feel free to check that out as well. We'll show you all the features, how it works and why this is the best camera system on the market for you. So this is a 4K image quality from the front camera, full HD from the rear. It's completely discreet. From the passenger view you can see it slightly, but driver's view completely hidden away, which is why we love this camera system so much. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with one of our team. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. We'll drop all our contact details below, but we look forward to upgrading your Mini John Cooper Works soon. Thank you.